Alrighty, what's up? Almost no delay now on these new streams. I'm gonna exit out of the studio though on my side tab quick, and I'm going to get the live link up in my Discord so people can find it. If I'm even doing this right, it's okay, yeah, I got it right. It's getting easier for me to figure out this. Oops. Start with the volume on. You guys are gonna hear that for a second. A little annoying, but whatever. And then I'm gonna at Senate paste. Here we go. Paste. I have switch built. All right. Okay, let's get this shit rolling. So I was working on this obviously by myself in between streams. I've been kind of busy for the past couple days, so I wasn't able to get like a lot done. Let's go over to the scene and I'll show you basically what I covered up. I did all of the there you go. I did all of the UI element stuff. This is going to be the joystick, and basically I'm just going to have it drag to a certain position on your mouse down, and then I'm going to have a math clamp on it so it can't go past a certain spot. So I think I'm going to have the center point be clamped right here, whatever the lines for these boxes, and then it can't go past that on its local position. And right now, today, what I'm going to be working on basically is I'm going to be updating it to where I'm going to configure all of these buttons to be colliders instead, and I'm going to rig the colliders up for the mouse. So let's get that started. Alright, let's get into my virtual D-pad, right arrow. Let's basically what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to take all this out of update, and I'm going to have to make a box collider, okay? But this box collider is going to just detect for when the mouse enters the region. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign the mouse a the mouse has a raycast. Sorry, I have to set this up as a raycast. So we're going to hit for the raycast on the mouse, and I'm going to do this all up on a box collider instead. So this way what will happen is if my mouse is down and it's inside the box collider, then it's going to switch to that button. And what I think I have to do, too, while I'm speaking all this out loud, is I need to make a C# script, and this is going to be called Dpad Event Manager, because this is going to figure out what buttons are being pressed. So if you take two fingers and you were to put it down, it wouldn't allow you to go at an angle. So many if and else. Yeah, basically. Yeah, I got like at least 100 scripts going on in this game right now, and it's a lot. All right, so void. Yeah, I'm gonna make it just do public void on and trigger enter. Yeah, 2D. Luckily, and I need to make it public because I might need to reference actually, which we'll talk about in a little bit. If I do public virtual, yeah, let's make it a virtual. Public virtual void. Now, we're going to call this mouse check, okay? And then we're going to run a raycast if this is being collided on. So what we're going to do quick is we're going to do, I'm going to check something on the side tab here. Box collider, mouse check. Okay. I'm pretty sure how it works is I need... Yeah. Okay. So it's just basic. First I got to check if the button's down, and then I just got to be checking the raycast position. So it's fine. So I'm going to assign a transform to the mouse. So I'm going to keep this. And in update. No trigger on them. Oh, that's the fucking you. Assign image events. Collider. I already have colliders on this. So if the mouse is down, began. Or, oh, you know what? I could probably avoid all this. I don't know what I'm doing here. Sorry, you know, I've done a lot of art the past couple days, not a whole lot of programming. Tiny bit rusty here. Okay, so I think what I need to do is I need to do not just touch phase began or the key code down. I can say or input dot get touch 0, which is just a normal press, and then I can say phase dot touch phase, and then I think it would be on. I think it's hold. I'm not quite sure, so I'm gonna have to look quick. Unity dot touch phase. Let's look. I think there's one for hold. Because if I am able to, let's see here. Okay. Touch began, moved. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to run with stationary. I'm gonna do stationary. Stationary. Alright, or so if the mouse is down, okay, and the collider is on this, okay, then this is pressed. But I need to set a, okay, so this is, yeah, okay, I figure out how I'm gonna do it. Okay, so serialized field. And then what did I name it exactly? I think I called it touch Dpad event manager. So we're gonna rename it, but we're just using this to copy and paste. Copy. We're gonna go in, and then we're gonna go paste my event manager. Okay. And then now we're gonna work on my event manager, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a public, okay, a public, oh, you know what, actually, for debugging purposes, we're gonna have a serialize field, and this is gonna be a bool, and this bool is called directional button pressed, okay, or one has active button. Okay, let's just keep it simple, and then we're gonna make this public has public bool, and then just make a lowercase has, and then we're gonna say get, and then return has active button, and then private set, and then this is going to be has active button equals has active button. Okay, we got the setup now. So basically what I want to do is I'm going to start off with, I'm going to have this reference on, right? And if this is the first button to be pressed, then it's going to trigger the has active button, okay? And if that has an active button, then if this is touched, right, again touched, then it's going to ignore this command, and then it won't let it return this button as being pressed, right? And then the reason why is if you put the key up, then I'm going to return that this is false, and then whatever finger is currently down, it will turn true, because it's going to be played on the event system, which is what update is on. So, okay, let's see here. I think I'm getting the logic right. All right, so I need a function, though, maybe in here. But I might just need this, which this would be kind of stupid, because I could just put a bool, but technically this references combines them, so I'm probably going to have to keep this. But let's get something off on start. I don't need start, actually. Don't even think I need update. I might have to clean that up, too. Alright, so let's make a reference to this new manager quick. So we got... okay. You know what, let's just put the virtual Dpad and actually just give it the event system. The new event system. Dpad event manager, okay. Right arrow. Okay. Yeah, I serialized that. Where is it? Oh, I messed up somewhere? Oh, I misspelled. Oh my god, I misspelled touch phase. Obviously. Ugh. The way this works. Oh, there we go. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. Phase equals. Okay. We got it. Now update. Now I hope I use this for a little bit more than literally just referenced for one bool, but you know, if not, hey man, sometimes code is just super simple and you just need something to make one reference. Sometimes more. We'll see. Alright, let's go to down arrow. Alright, move this over. Okay. Now, oh, that's what I need to do. I need to run a function to change the bool. Okay. The reason is, okay, that I'm not setting this as public is simply because of server security. It makes sense when you're running a server and you don't want people being able to directly change variables. The reason that is like if someone is managing to crack out like the exposed PHP or HTML reference files that are requesting data from your computer to the server, they can alter data in that, right? And then it can change, what's being dropped. It can change someone's movement keys if everything is directly publicly available to change. So if they can change what is being requested, then they can exploit the game by it's like hacking kind of, I guess. So I just need to make public functions, and then that just solves everything. So we're gonna have public void, and it's press key off, whatever. Make it simple, and then has active button equals false. Okay, and then we're gonna make one more. Public void press key on, and then of course it's just going to be has active button is true. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get a reference. Okay. Oh wait, what am I doing? We're going to go to Dpad, and then we're going to say if my event manager dot has active button. Copy. Wait, shit. Copy. Yeah, because I don't even want it to check if it's already true. So it has active button is equal to true. Make sure. Then, oh, sorry, is not equal to true. Then I'm gonna let it run all this. Okay. Because it only matters for the touchpad part, because the input key, you're not gonna be able to use 2 mouses, so it'll be fine. Just for this particular thing. So then what I'm gonna do too is if it's not true, and then we're gonna have this be returning. Oh, you know what? No, I'm still gonna move it because I need to check. Paste. Okay, and then yeah, we got this. This is fine. Oh, what the hell? Man, I'm losing connection on the game. Sorry, on a game I play. I've been having some major connection issues for some reason. I'm trying to do it. Oh, come on. It's not even going up. Motherfucker. This computer, man. It's such a piece of shit computer. Okay, Maki, shut up. Sorry, I'm not trying to be rude to my wife on public. It's just she likes to mock what I'm saying, and it's very frustrating that I'm getting my thing taken away because this thing can't stay connected. Oh my god. Whatever. Okay. Oh, come on. It won't even go back up. Alright. So if this is true, then I need to have my event manager dot press key on. Copy. Paste. Okay. Now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna check. Oh wait, this is else. No, I need the else if. I think. Yeah. I think this is the way I had it. Oh my god, I think I might have just messed it up. Well, because this one's not being pressed, but that doesn't mean that another one's not being pressed, right? So I need to just check that. Okay, so where's this end? And then we're gonna do if input dot get touch 0 dot phase is equal to touch phase dot ended. Yes, ended. Okay. And this dot is pressed. Okay. Then what we're gonna do is we're going to press my event manager, paste, and then we're gonna put is key off. Copy. Okay. And then this will solve the whole this key is pressed kind of bullshit. I might have to separate this out. Yeah, I think I do. So I need to exclude this. Hit information. Okay. let's save this and just see what happens. Let's put a couple debugs on. We're gonna run a debug every time this happens, so I'm just gonna do it really simple. Turning off all pressed. I don't really know what else how to put it, and then we can say print turning on a pressed. I don't know. I'm a little tired today. You know, I wish I should be drinking my energy drink. My God, man. Okay. We got this down. Alright. Now, we're going to run this through. I don't think there should be any errors, but this is not coming up. Okay, yeah, there's no errors. So, we're going to turn this off because I want to test this in the actual game. Okay. Kaola. Maki. Why do you like to mock me? You told me you don't want to be involved in this stream, and yet you're literally mocking what I'm saying. Mendokusai na.
I said sorry.
Alright.
Love you.
Oh, it's working. It's working. Look. Oh, it's working. Oh, it's working. Oh yeah, it's working. Look. I didn't even need to do it, but it's working. Hell yeah. Yay. Maki, shut up. Oh. Wait, how the hell? Oh yeah, I forgot. I didn't. Okay. Dude, first try and it's working, and okay. I didn't think it was gonna work perfectly the first time. All right, there we go. That's great. And see, it's the only thing that's bugging out is the button part where it's not highlighting properly, but it's completely working other than that. So yeah. Yeah, I did it. Dude, I'm so tired, and so like I didn't know if my logic was like sound or not. Like, you know how like sometimes so before people that were playing the game, people were complaining that if they pressed a button, okay, and then they tried to slide up to a different direction, it wasn't working, okay? And the people that play Mysteria Legacy were like, I don't like it that if I'm pressing a button, okay, it doesn't highlight wherever I'm going. But now it works no matter what. And I'm going to get rid of this down change because I think it's not needed. And I think what I'm going to do now on the next second part of this stream is I'm going to make a masking layer, which is going to be the same size as this circle, okay? And this is going to have a little highlighter that's going to replace your mouse while you're over the D-pad. And then this is going to glow and select whatever direction you're going on. I think that's a cool idea. And we're also going to have the D-pad, the joystick move. So let's get this this joystick working. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to anchor this joystick to the center. And because I'm feeling lazy, we're going to have the reference for this in the D-pad event manager, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to serialize this object, okay? And then we're going to have a game object. And this is going to be called my D-pad, okay? And then we're going to set a transform, but first I got to figure out how to clamp this. So let's make a transform just for easier testing, okay? And we're going to turn off the button thing that makes it that, because that's a bad idea. Oh yeah, here we go. We're gonna sample this color. Oh here. Oh, what the hell, dude? This thing is. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna sample this color. We're just gonna make it all the same color because I don't want to bother with this. Because I can use the reference for the image later on, and then I want this to be full opacity. All right. We're gonna go to D-pad. We're gonna. Oh no, that's just. Which one's the? Oh, here we go. D-pad. Okay. And I'm gonna give this a box collider 2D. It's gonna be a trigger, and then. Oh well, I should have put these as triggers. What am I doing? I mean, oh, they all were triggers except just that one. It looks like I just messed up on the one. Okay, all the triggers. All right. Let's see here. Image Dpad. Shit. I just. All right. We're going to reference the Dpad, and then. Oh well, I gotta edit that though. So, edit collider. It's way too small. You know, I could actually just use a circle collider. I don't know if anyone's really gonna complain. So, oh shit. Edit. What we're gonna do is, oh my god, come on. I gotta figure out the rough. Here we go. I'm gonna find the rough size of this local position. So, let's see here. If I think the width is like half a float, okay? I mean, I could test, okay, yeah, I'm gonna test this. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna control save, and then I'm gonna duplicate, right? And I know that the ink, oh, come on with this fucking Eodemon's online disconnecting shit. Dude, I swear to God, this game is awful. Okay, control delete. Seriously? I don't even know what to do. Okay. Come on, look at this shit. It's constantly disconnecting. So dude, I don't want to leave the dungeon because I want to be able to do one more Caria run for these shards, man. But it's annoying. I might just exit the game because this is getting out of hand. All right, whatever. So this position is 377 and 550, right? And we know that the anchor point, the pivot point, is 0. Okay. So if I set it to this, right, and I hit it right here, this is 2, 4. Let's get a piece of paper, because I got to set these anchors in a math clamp. If anybody knows what that is. Okay. So I need to do an abs.mathf.clamp. Well, no, it doesn't need to be absolute. Mathf.clamp is fine. Okay, so we got -427. Okay, and then the center point is roughly 377. So this is about a 150 float difference. So 337, and then, yeah. Wait, what? 337. Going to 327. Yeah, this doesn't make any sense. So it's going plus 50 backwards. What? That's weird. Why is that doesn't seem right. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. All right, well, up and down, up. So its middle point is, let's say 550, write it down. And then its high point is -500. So it's a 50 difference, okay? And then bottom, and then that's a 50 difference. So it's 50 working correctly up and down, but it's 150? Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. God damn. Nobody correct me. When you're trying to run it, but CCP, like, wait, no one correct me. It's 50. It's 50 because it's going negative, so it's. I didn't think about that. So yeah, it's 50. This clamp should be 50. Okay. So delete, and then we're gonna set the clamp to its current local position, and then it won't be able to move past a 50 position. I hope that works. If not, then what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to do its actual global position by a half a float. That should be correct, but I'm not really sure. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it snap to the mouth position. We're going to try this first, okay? So one, we're going to have it snap to the mouth position, and then the other one, we're going to do a transform with a speed. So the joystick will move, but it'll have a movement towards the mouse. I don't know. Yeah, sorry, man. I'm just trying my hardest here. Alright, you know what, man? I gotta control at the least. I really want to salvage this Caria run. I know it's so nerdy of me to be playing another game. Oh, shit! Dude, Jesus Christ. Okay. Control, Alt, Delete. Okay, Task Manager. For fuck's sake, man. Okay, where's the demons? Okay, those are the ones that I lost. Oh my god, dude. My computer is freaking out, dude. It's making weird sounds the past, like, couple days. Okay, here we go. Alright, that should be fine. Now, go back to the game. I can actually log these guys back in. Because the Paladin's really important that I have him on, so. Alright. Back to what I'm actually supposed to be doing now. Okay, we're gonna have a no, we can set the transform to the game out of direction. Okay, so, update. We're just gonna test this, okay? If, oh, come on, it switched back to English keyboard, okay. Oh, I need to put in, oh, I don't. Yes, I do. I need to have the UI. Hey, I don't. Oh, okay. Do I have, okay, I do. Alright, I thought I had to have UI on it. Alright, so, I'm gonna be really bad here. And I'm just gonna put this... Don't judge me. You know, I'm copy and pasting, but whatever. Okay, copy. And then... we're just gonna have the same touch face thing. Okay. Okay. And then let's, pow. And pow. Alright. If the touch phase is 1, and the phase has begun, or the phase is stationary, and then the... I want to see if I... Okay, so... Okay, I'm gonna get... What I'm gonna do is I think I need a camera reference. Yeah, I do. I'm gonna need a camera reference. Where's my camera? What's my camera reference? Here we go. Camera ref. I'm just gonna name it camera ref, not my camera ref. Okay, here we go. Paste. Camera ref. So basically, what I'm gonna do... Okay, this is how I decide I'm gonna do it. I don't know how well on CPU this is gonna be. So, I'm going to click the mouse down, which is going to be on update, which I might not want to do this, okay? I might want to just get a box collider and then have that listening for a mouse down. I don't know. Because I could, okay, this is all theoretical. I could have a transform with a trigger on it that's following my mouse at all times, so it updates constantly to the mouse position, alright? And then if this transform is over the D-pad, then it will start to trigger its collider update on fixed update. So I think that's going to be easier on CPU to do it that way, so I might end up just making a little hidden transform to follow the mouse around. And then that way I can have the collider go off. And then basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, but I'm still going to try it the first way. And I'm just going to look at what the performance is at. So... okay, player camera. Okay. And then we're going to look here, and we're gonna say if you know, I'm feeling really lazy. I don't really feel like doing it. Just position. I don't want to check the raycast actually. So get rid of this collider information. I just want to compare the positions. Okay, so touch position is this vector that's going to be based off of this. Okay, And we're going to exit this out. Okay. If wait, I can't remember the vector2 dot distance, I think. Unity vector3 dot distance. I believe that's what it is. Yes, it is. It's square I think I do vector3 dot distance or square magnitude. Yes. Okay. So if I'm gonna do a vector2 though because I don't want to check the z position. Dot distance, and then we're gonna check my Dpad dot transform dot position dot I think this is fine. Dot transform position and touch position, and then I want to say if it's greater, oh no, is less than, let's say 200 float. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have we're going to make a reference. Okay, we're going to make a hidden reference, and this is going to be called the I'm going to call this vector. This is going to be vector3. Okay, and it's going to be called a static Dpad position. Okay, and then we're gonna so we are gonna do avoid awake, and on this avoid awake, we're going to say that static Dpad position equals. Oh, I can't do this on awake. Oh, yes I can. Yes I can. Is equal to my Dpad dot transform dot position. Okay. Now, if else, okay. Oh, you know what? Else. My Dpad dot transform dot position equals static Dpad position. Okay, so I can do a move towards, right? Or I could say this position is plus equal, right? 50 float of towards wherever the mouse position is. So I can say here we go. You know what? Unity f dot clamp move towards. Because I can do a transform.translate, I think, but yeah, it's no. How did I do the? Here, let me look at my move script quick. Oh god damn it. 51.5. What did I do wrong? Oh, I just. Okay. Oh, yeah. There we go. That's what I thought. Okay. Let's go to my character controller. Eh? Here. Okay. 0.5. Vector to okay. I think it's a trans. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, so it doesn't move towards. I think I want to do a instantaneous though. So I need to do a clamp, which is going to be an absolute of 50 float. And then what I'll do is then I'll implement a move towards, okay? Wait, how much time am I on this stream, man? Oh, whoa, okay, I've been doing this for a while already. You know what? I'm gonna finish this, maybe on stream tomorrow, or maybe I'll just stream this, film this just by myself. My wife is going on a family trip with her family anyway soon, and I think it would be kind of rude to, run that off. But, so yeah, we got it working correctly with the thing. And then all I got to do is add a visual highlight when the mouse is over a particular point. And then, yeah, that should be fine. And then I think... Okay. Alright, well, I'm gonna call it a day. I'll see you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, because I will be, my wife is going to be gone, so I'll be able to stream a lot more. And then what I'm going to do tonight is I'm going to draw the little particle thing that's going to follow the mouse. I'm going to make a vote on my Discord server, so for those of you that are in the Discord server for Boundless, if I should make the mouse, if you're on a computer, if I should make the mouse invisible. While you're pressing on the Dpad, so that way all you see is the highlight, and then when you let go it'll make it visible again. I don't know, it's a very minor UI aesthetic, but we'll see. And then that finishes my UI that I want to work on, that's outside of character equipment. So the update after this, so tomorrow after I finished this last little bit for the Dpad, is going towards the equipment panel. All right, so we're gonna have equipable armor now, so it'll, because I already have everything rigged to make stat changes, but I need to make it to where there's visual difference now, so you can equip an armor piece and you can see the difference. And then that'll also open up the doorway for hairstyle change and some other things. So what I'm going to be doing also is the patron update this week is going... the patron update this week is going to be a password that'll unlock appearances. So basically, you're going to have the ability to choose like 2 or 3 extra hairstyles. It's just something, you know, small. And then maybe a different eye color. And then skin color. I'll have that. So the patrons by the end of this week are going to be able to choose hairstyle, eye color, and skin tone. So that's going to be the main difference. And then I'm going to have a patron-only room in the cave, which is just going to be blocked off to access. So $1 patrons are going to have access to the skins maybe, but not the extra room. $5 patrons, the appearance and the room, and then $10 patrons I think will have the spawner, like a spawner cage that'll be active, so they can farm mobs in a very close area. That's what I think I'm gonna do. Okay, but yeah, so I'm gonna finish this probably tonight or tomorrow. And then, like I said, the next stream is probably going to be me making the equipment panel and the drawings for the new hairstyles. So yeah, big update coming up for everybody actually. And then I think the last thing I'm gonna do before making a server is I'm gonna make the currency system. We're gonna figure out how we want to do currency, and then I gotta start rigging up a server, and then obviously making more enemies and levels. But yeah, skill system is implemented but not drawn. So I gotta do art for skills and stuff too. But whatever. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. We got everything working now with the D-pad. It looks like it's flawless. And then yeah. All right. Well, we'll see now if it's all gonna go well. I talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Yeah. All right. Well, we'll see now if it's all gonna go well. I talk to you guys.